Brian O'Bannon of Morton Building coming at you, and here we are at another edition of Morton Moments. And I want to take this moment to talk to you about something that's really, really important and hardly is ever discussed by the other guy. And that is the final walkthrough. Why is the final walkthrough so important? Well, whenever you are involved in a real estate or a building investment like this, you're going to be spending a lot of money and a lot of time in that process. And so you might as well make sure that you have the confidence knowing that you're going to be getting your money's worth. Today, we just got done here at this particular building. Today, we set an appointment with the client, with the crew, with myself, all to be here at the same time. And we went inside and all around this building with the client, and we explained everything about the features, the benefits. We took care of his questions, his concerns, etc. And he signed off very happy, extremely confident that he made the right decision. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? Making that right decision. So the next time you think you want to make that right decision, you need to get a hold of us here at Morton. I'm in the Wyoming area, just so that you know, because this is World Wide Web here. But get a hold of me, and we will talk to you about how we can get your project started, and we can work through it from start all the way to the final walkthrough. Like, subscribe, share, and make sure you come back because there's going to be a whole lot more next time. Thank you much, and we'll talk to you later.